Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you a dance here from the National Dance List called Louisiana Saturday Night. I'm going to teach it as a single line dance. I know on the cue sheet it's a couples dance, and this was written by Lynne Ogle, so if you want the couples version, check with her. But I'm just going to show you the way I do it for my beginner classes. It's a nice, easy level to introduce them to some fancy doubles and some brushes. So this is what I do. I start with the left foot and I just go with a heel, toe, heel, and step, and then the right foot, heel, toe, heel, and step. And then we're going to go with 4 basics, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Right? Chain, left and right, double step, rock step, rock step, rock step. You'll add on 2 brushes, double step, brush up, fancy double. I know on our cue sheet it says 2 chuggy shuffles, but it's actually brushes on here. So anyway, that's going to be the routine here. I'll go through it again. So it's going to be a heel, toe, heel, and step, heel, toe, heel, 4 basics, and a 1, 2, 3, chain left and right, and a 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and 2 brushes, double step, brush up, fancy double. Then back, heel, toe, heel, step, and you just keep doing this until the music runs out. So that's Louisiana Saturday Night. That's just a single version, line version. If you want the couples version, I can't help you with that one right now. Talk to Lynne Ogle. She's the one who choreographed this original routine. But anyway, hope you enjoy it and check out more videos from the National Clogging National Dance List.